Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you this device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So let's just first open this box. Here we have no just any adapters, and this is the charger brick and USB Type-C cable, and unfortunately we have no here any adapters, so if you want to use them you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.